Hey everyone, this is Derek with Automatic Door and Hardware. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to install and program the Record 6100 low-energy power operator. This operator is commonly used on commercial and accessibility openings where controlled, compliant door operation is required. Let's start with what's included in the Record 6100 system. You'll have the operator motor and mounting plate, a main arm, an aluminum slide arm, an arm shoe, an on-off switch, an aluminum cover, and all required mounting screws. The first step is preparing the frame. If you're mounting to a hollow metal frame, install a shim above the door frame to create a solid, level mounting surface. This step is only required for hollow metal frames. Next, measure the door frame to locate the two initial mounting screw locations that align with the mounting slots on the operator plate. Drill or tap those holes, then partially install the two screws. Slide the operator mounting plate onto the screws, square it up, and tighten them securely. Once the plate is positioned correctly, install the remaining mounting screws through the holes in the back of the plate. This locks the mounting plate firmly to the frame and provides a stable base for the operator motor. At this point, the operator plate is fully mounted and ready for arm installation. Next, we'll install the arm components for the Record 6100. Start by mounting the arm shoe to the door. Measure 18 inches from the hinge jamb, mark your location, and drill the pilot holes. Secure the arm shoe firmly to the door using the provided screws, making sure it's square and tight. Now install the main arm onto the operator spindle. The arm must be positioned 90 degrees from the door surface. This alignment is critical for proper operator function and smooth door movement. Measure the frame reveal and cut the aluminum slide arm to the appropriate length. Once cut, reattach the slide arm to the main arm and connect it to the arm shoe on the door. One of the most important steps in the entire installation happens here. Before power is connected, the main arm must be preloaded. Loosen the arm connection, rotate the arm slightly to allow for a minimum of 6 degrees of preload, then pull against the motor resistance and make the final 90-degree connection to the door. This preload ensures the operator properly controls the door and prevents improper closing or long-term wear. Once the arms are installed, manually open and close the door to verify smooth mechanical operation before moving on. Before applying power, verify the handing direction. Manually open the door. If the door does not close slowly under operator control, the handing needs to be changed. With power still disconnected, locate the S1 switch on the operator and slide it to the alternate position to reverse the handing. Always confirm correct handing before powering the unit. Next, set the adjustable fixed stop. This controls the maximum door opening angle and must be set prior to calibration. After adjusting the stop, cycle the door manually again to ensure everything moves freely and correctly. Now you can wire the operator. Connect 120-volt AC power according to local electrical codes. Install the on-off switch into one of the pre-cut end cap slots or into the slot located on the bottom of the mounting plate. Once the switch is installed, connect the wire lead to the switch and install the end plates on both ends of the mounting plate. These protect the internal components and give the operator a clean, finished look. At this stage, the operator is mechanically complete and ready for reset and calibration. Now we'll reset and calibrate the Record 6100 operator. To reset the unit, press and hold the multifunction button until you see 8 red flashes. This clears any previous settings. Next, calibrate the operator by pressing and holding the multifunction button again until you see 3 red flashes. Allow the operator to complete the calibration cycle without interruption. Once calibration is complete, verify it by pressing and holding the button until you see 1 red flash. This confirms the operator is calibrated properly. Now connect the wiring from any push plates, wave switches, or other activation devices to the appropriate terminals on the operator. Double-check all wiring connections before proceeding. Finally, install the aluminum cover over the mounting plate to protect the operator and complete the installation. Record has long been a trusted name in automatic door systems, and the 6100 low-energy operator provides smooth, reliable, and compliant operation when installed correctly. If you need automatic door operators, parts, or technical support, reach out to Automatic Door and Hardware. Thanks for watching.